Give it to me like.
Hey, if you're here, you're probably already a cheese lover, but there's a lot of fascinating and yummy things out there to discover. Your cheese concierge is here to help.
Give it to me like.
So they don't sell this cheese at McDonald's, but they really should. This is Quinta by Point Reyes Farmstead Cheese, which started decades ago in California as a family dairy farm, but transitioned to making artisanal cheese in the year 2000. Quinta means fifth, and this is the fifth cheese in their lineup. It's decorated with a locally grown bay leaf, which is also infused into a strap of spruce wood around the outside of the cheese. Don't mind the crack, this one had a rough transit. The strap holds it together so that you can cut off the top of the cheese and make essentially a little cheese bowl. It's creamy, it's unctuous, and it's got a mustardy tang to it. It becomes very soft when ripe, especially at room temperature. Remember that opening shot? We're going to try it with some French fries and chicken nuggets. I did take these home and stick them in the toaster oven to make them extra crispy, which makes them sturdier and perfect for dipping. Reminder, you're never too old for chicken nuggets, and the McDonald's nuggets are just so chickeny. The flavor of mushroom and bay in the cheese really elevates this experience. I'm going to say it again, this cheese beats any of those McDonald's sauces, and too bad it's not offered worldwide. If this looked good, check out my other video about Harbison.